So this is once you are in your TikTok account like this, you open your TikTok. This is my TikTok. Then all you need to do is to come down to this profile. Let me try and draw an arrow. See this profile that you're seeing right here. You're gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on that profile right now. Then click on it like this. So you're gonna see it's gonna show you this place. Let's move this one off the way. Then you come to these three line that you're seeing at the top right hand side. These three line that you're seeing here. So click on this three line that you're seeing here. So once you click on it like this, you're gonna see this all this drop down that you're seeing here. All this drop down, you're gonna see creators, tools, balance, my q my QR code, setting and privacy. Your own, I don't know, your own might not have this is not all the accounts that has this, but if it has it, fine. But this is what you need actually, this creators tools that you're seeing here. That's what you need to click, creators tools. So let's click the creators tools right now. Click on the creators tools. You're going to see where it's going to bring creators tools, analytics, monetization. You're going to bring more tools and all that. So where you're going to is where you see more tools right here. You can see more tools right here. Then you're seeing account check, you're seeing creators academy, you're seeing promote and profit. So where you need to go right now is to click on this promote that you're seeing here right now. So you click on this promote right now. Let's click on the promote. So you click on the promote. Basically, what this is going to help you to do now um, is to help you just share your video to get more either. So you see, let me first explain this. Look at where we are right now. We're seeing promote right here. You see create dashboard, my choose your goal here, because you want to run hard right now. So you're saying choose your goal. So normally before you do this, you probably would have had the video you want to use to run the ad uploaded on your TikTok account yet. So you see here right now it's saying if you want to get more views, you need to highlight this one. You can see that is highlighting this one for us, this one that I say more followers. I think because that was what I did last, that's why it has that one highlighted. If it's more views that you want on your video, like maybe you upload a video and you want that video to have more views, then you click on this one. But because me, I want more follow me, I prefer more followers than more views, because once you have more followers, those followers they will follow you already, and any subsequent post that you post, they'll begin to see it instead of having more videos. But more followers is actually a little bit more expensive than more video, because people are just going to watch. Even if you still do this more videos too, you're still going to get some people that will follow you, but it's more videos view that you will really get. But if you do the more followers, then you're going to get more followers than this. So the third one is more profile views. I don't really know why people choose to run this ad though, because me, I'm not really cool with it. This more you can see it's just basically explanatory. It's more profile views. That's if you want people that will view your profile. Maybe if you are like an influencer or like a business owner though, but I don't really know. But basically that is it. That is all you need. So the three things you can choose here at this one that I've explained, although there are still more to explain, but I don't think you need to go through all this, because all these other process where he's saying get more sales and get more leads, these ones are to do with somebody that is more professional. So I can't really explain this in a very short video like this. This one is going to take a longer time, but these are the three that you just need to just try to play around with. Maybe you can try them at different time. Maybe if you want to try it first, you can first of all try the followers. Just try with some certain amount. Like me right now, I can try these followers with like 2K right now and see how many followers it's going to give me. Then maybe if I want to try the next day, I can try this more video views, see how many video views it's going to give me. And then I can also try this one the day after to see more profile views it's going to give me. So basically, let me just show you what you need to do right now. So let's say we want more followers, and you can see it's already highlighting more followers for us. So you can see more followers is saying estimated estimated video views. You can see what it's saying is going to be. So it's going for us to get this amount of video views with these more followers that want to run. We're going to need 73 coins right there. So 73 coins is now going to be how much? 73 coins is like 2054 naira per day. So it now depends on how many days you want to run. So if I move this, you can see this. If I move this right now, you can see this is like how many days right now, duration of days. This is still per days. Like if I want, this is saying if I want video, you can see how many video views I moved. This is 98,500 plus. For this amount of video view, you can see this is way over 100,000 to almost half a million views right here. With less than 100k, I can get this much video views. But I'm just showing you. So the more you increase this, the higher your view is going to be, and the more you can see 1 point something to 1.3. So but basically that's not what we are. We just want to try one day first. So with this amount of video views, you're going to spend less than 1,000 naira per day to run this. So if you want to run how many days, you can go this 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Then that also you can then increase your budget right here. So if per day you want to spend like at least 1,000 naira for 5 days, you're going to need 240 coins to do all of this. So choose a promotion package. So choose a promotion package. That's where we are right here. So you can see, let's just say we just want 1 day. 1 day, let's increase this a little bit. Let's increase per day 20. No, that's too much. I'm just showing you this basically for you to see, okay, per day, that's per day is 2,400. Let me decrease it a little bit more. Okay, I just want it to just be like maybe like 1,000 plus. I just want it to just be like 1,000 plus, but notwithstanding, it's just since I'm not going to run it. So our coins balance, you can see this is the coins balance I need. So let me just increase this so we can be good right here. Okay, let's just leave it at this 3,000. So you can see, then you need to tick this place where it's saying you need to agree to the terms and condition right here. So you're going to click on this this place that you're seeing here right now. Just click on this terms and condition right here. Then you're going to scroll custom. Like if you want to run a custom default audience, this one is just going to choose default audience for you. That's what this place is all about right now. It's going to choose default audience for you. But if you click on this customize audience, this one is going to allow you to choose some people. So let's do it right now. Let's choose this custom audience. So you can see if you click custom audience, it's going to allow you to choose if you only want women alone to see your ad, or you only want men alone to see your ad. Basically, maybe you are selling only women's clothes. You can pick that you want only women's to see your ad. Then if you know the age range of people you also want them, like you can see right now, TikTok has people from 13 years old to 55 years old plus. So you can exclude all these 13 to 17 years old, because this one doesn't have money to buy what you are selling. So you can just exclude all these ones. But the more you keep taking all this, the more your ad spend is going to keep going up. The more the ad is going to be more expensive. So you can see this gender right now, we already click, we only want TikTok to show our ad to female alone. The age range, we probably will click, we don't want 13 to 17 years old to see it. We can also say we don't want 18 to 24 years old to see it, and we only want from 25 years old to 55 years old people to only see our ad. So you know that those are the kind of people that had the money to buy what we want to sell. So you just don't waste money. Why you probably would do all this, why you probably will remove all this young age, is because they might not have the money to buy what you're selling. So you just don't want TikTok to show your ads to them. So You can just exclude all those ones, but you have to click the one you want, not you have to leave this one, then click the ones that you want TikTok to show your heart to. So that's how you click. You pick all those ones, then it's also giving you interest. What type of people do you want to see your ad? So now it's saying interest of people. Do you want people in the educational niche, or people in the vehicle and transportation? Do you want people that have interest in baby, kids, and maternity? That's it. Just depends on the kind of product you're selling to people that will determine what you pick in this place. If you want to target mothers who have kids, then you probably will go for this one that say baby, kids, and maternity. Like maybe you have a baby product or things for mother and all that. So the rest too is self-explanatory. This one is financial service. This one is beauty and personal care. Maybe you are into beauty niche, you're selling all those makeup or hair, whatever things. You can choose this interest of people, because you just don't want TikTok to just show your heart to random people who might not be interested in what you're selling. So you want them to show it to people who at least had a little bit of interest in what you're selling, so that you don't just waste money on random or anyhow people. It's just going to be targeted people basically. So you can, so like I said, you just look into all of these things. This one is tech and electronics, this one is appliance, this is travel, this one is household products, this is pet, this is app, this is home improvement, this is apparel and accessory, this is news and entertainment, business service, game, life service, food and beverages, sport and outdoor, e-commerce and non-app. So basically right now, I don't know what industry are the people you want to target, but let's say we want to target people in the travel niche. Just click on this travel. Those are the only people you want TikTok to show your ad to. You want them, the only people who have interest in travel. Maybe if you are selling um anything that has to do with travel things, maybe travel bag, clothes, or you're even selling booking ticket. Like if you are in the air or travel niche, basically you pick this niche that said travel, so that TikTok will only go and show your adverts to people who are interested in this traveling, so that those are the people that will see your ad. And if is what they are interested in already, is like higher advantage, that they probably will be interested in buying whatever it is that you're selling to them, because they already show interest in traveling before. So basically pick that one. You can pick as many as you want right here. You can pick more than one. You can see the way I'm selecting them. You can pick more than one, and you can leave only one if it's only people in the travel niche alone you want. Then if we pick their age, we pick only women right there. Then you just pick on this save that you're seeing here. So once you pick the save, you can see it has reduced the amount of people, that because of all those interests that we pick, it has reduced the amount of reach that we can get, because now TikTok is letting us know that okay, you have picked you have niched down, you have picked targeted people, so they are not going to show it to that much of people again, because you've not niched it down. So basically, so that's it. So this is it. So you see we have our budget right here, we have duration of how many days we want the ad to run. This is the amount of coin that we're probably going to need. See price details. So you can click right here to see the price that we need to add right here now to be able to run this ad that we want to run. Say total price is 3,162 naira. Total is still the same thing. Coin balance, this is the coin balance. I think we're probably still holding TikTok about 900 plus right there. Then insufficient coins, then we need to, once we're now ready to buy this, you see if I click on this purchase right now, I don't think I have money in that account. If not, you probably will have had your card. So once I click, let me show you, click on this recharge right now, then it's going to then tell me how many coin that I need. So it's telling me that I need about 70 coin right now, which is going to cost me 1,700. If I pick on this 139 right now, it's going to tell me it's going to cost me about 3,000, about 3,400. So it just depends on how much you want to spend. You can see the amount of coin that you need is going to determine on the amount of money. You can see the amount of coin is there. You can see the amount of coin is the one that is up, and the price that you're going to pay for it is what is under it. So basically, once you know the amount of coin that you need, then you see the price, you pick on the price that you want, like that, then you click on recharge. If I recharge this 5 coin right now with this 120 naira right now, it's probably going to, just because it's probably going to recharge from my account right now, because I'd already had my card to it, because I'd already add my card to this account already. It's just very simple. If you click on this recharge right now, then it's going to ask you to, but if I click it right now, you can see it's going to probably, okay, so it's still giving me the details right now. So it's saying this is the amount that I'm going to have to pay. So you can see my card is added already. So if I click on this one tab buy, it's going to just pay for the ad immediately, because my card is there already. But if your card is not there, it's going to give you instruction right from this place that we are right now, that you should add your card to it. Then just add your card to it, and they'll take the money from your card, and is going to, your ad is going to start running. They are still going to check, they are still going to do um they're still going to do like a little bit, they're still going to check your ad to see that it's not ad that is dangerous, or um what do they call, that is um basically, so that it's not ad that is dangerous to people, basically. So they are going to preview, yeah, they're going to preview your ad. Then once they preview it and they see that it's safe for people to see, then they will just let the ad start running right there. Wow, this video is already about 17 minutes. Sorry about that, man. I hope it's gonna go on WhatsApp. But so basically that is it. So try this. Let me know if you have more questions, or if you have more things that you want me to show you. But I don't want this video to be too this long already. But so let me just stop it right here. Yeah, I'll be waiting for your question. Thanks.